The cloud has revolutionized the way we think about computing resources. It offers unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, a leading cloud provider, empowers businesses of all sizes to harness the power of the cloud. This essay aims to demystify AWS cloud deployment and operations, making it accessible to everyone. Deploying applications and managing infrastructure in the cloud can seem daunting at first. However, AWS provides a comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to simplify these processes. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or just starting your cloud journey, understanding the fundamentals of AWS deployment is crucial. This guide will walk you through the essential concepts, methods, and best practices for deploying and operating in the AWS cloud. We'll explore different provisioning options, access methods, deployment models, connectivity choices, and more. By the end of this, you'll be well equipped to navigate the world of AWS cloud deployment with confidence. Our journey begins by understanding the different ways to provision resources in AWS, laying the foundation for a smooth and successful cloud adoption experience. Provisioning, in simple terms, means getting your IT resources ready to use. When you provision something, you're basically setting it up so you can use it. Think of it like ordering a pizza online. You choose your crust, toppings, and size, and then the pizza place gets it ready for you. In AWS, provisioning works similarly. You choose the resources you need, such as servers, storage, or databases, and AWS makes them available for you to use. AWS offers several ways to provision these resources, catering to different needs and levels of technical expertise. One way is to use the AWS Management Console, a web-based interface that provides a user-friendly way to interact with AWS services. It's like ordering your pizza through a website. You can click through menus, select options, and easily provision your resources. Another way is to use the AWS Command Line Interface, or CLI, a text-based tool that allows you to interact with AWS services using commands. This is like calling the pizza place and telling them your order over the phone. It's more technical, but gives you more control and flexibility. For those who prefer automation, AWS offers infrastructure as code, or IAC, services like AWS CloudFormation and AWS CDK. These services let you define your infrastructure using code, making it repeatable and scalable. Imagine sending the pizza place a recipe instead of calling them. That's the idea behind IAC. Accessing your AWS resources is like getting your hands on that delicious pizza you ordered. Just like there are different ways to get your pizza delivered, AWS provides various methods to access its services. These methods cater to different use cases, security requirements, and user preferences. One of the most common ways to access AWS services is through the AWS Management Console. This web-based interface provides a user-friendly way to interact with AWS, allowing you to manage your resources, monitor your applications, and analyze your costs. It's like having a pizza tracker on your phone, giving you a clear view of your order's status. For developers and system administrators who prefer a more programmatic approach, AWS offers software development kits, or SDKs, for various programming languages. These SDKs provide libraries and tools that enable you to interact with AWS services directly from your code. Imagine having a special oven that automatically bakes your pizza according to a pre-programmed recipe. That's the power of SDKs. In addition to the console and SDKs, AWS also provides a command line interface, or CLI, that allows you to interact with AWS services using text-based commands. This method is particularly useful for automating tasks, scripting complex operations, or integrating AWS with other command line tools. Think of it as giving instructions to a robot chef to prepare your pizza exactly as you want it. No matter your preferred method of access, AWS ensures that you can manage and interact with your cloud resources securely and efficiently. Whether you're a visual learner who prefers a graphical interface or a command line aficionado who enjoys the power of automation, AWS has you covered. When it comes to deploying applications in the cloud, one size does not fit all. Just like you can choose different ways to enjoy your pizza, dine in, takeaway, or delivery, AWS offers various cloud deployment models to suit different business needs and technical requirements. The most common deployment model is the public cloud, where you leverage AWS's shared infrastructure to host your applications and data. This model offers the greatest flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness, as you only pay for the resources you use. It's like ordering pizza from a popular restaurant. You get your pizza quickly and efficiently, sharing the kitchen and delivery resources with other customers. For businesses with sensitive data or regulatory compliance requirements, AWS offers a private cloud model. In this model, you get a dedicated, isolated environment within AWS's infrastructure, providing enhanced security and control over your data. It's like having a private chef and kitchen dedicated to preparing your pizza, ensuring exclusivity and privacy. For businesses that need the best of both worlds, AWS offers a hybrid cloud model. This model combines your on-premises infrastructure with AWS resources, allowing you to leverage the cloud for specific workloads while keeping sensitive data on premises. It's like having a pizza oven at home, but ordering some specialty ingredients from your favorite restaurant. You get the flexibility of both options. I'm breaking down the 3 main ways to connect to AWS, VPN, Direct Connect, and the good old public internet. Let's dive in. First up, AWS VPN. Picture this. You've got a secure tunnel between your on-premises network and AWS. It's great for encrypted connections and works over the public internet. Think of it like sending top-secret documents through a secure courier. It's reliable and protected, but you might hit some traffic along the way. Next, Direct Connect. Now, this is your dedicated lane on the highway. You get a private high-speed connection directly to AWS. No internet middleman means lower latency and higher consistency. Imagine hosting a video game tournament. The last thing you want is lag. Direct Connect keeps everything smooth and fast. Finally, there's the public internet. It's like taking the city bus, super flexible and easy to use, but you share it with everyone else. Great for non-critical applications where some variability in speed is okay. Maybe for accessing public-facing websites or transferring small amounts of data. So, which one's right for you? If you need security and don't mind some variability, go for VPN. For high performance and reliability, Direct Connect is your best bet. And for general, flexible access, the public internet is your friend. There you have it. Your AWS connectivity options in a nutshell. Hit that like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.